explain you the experiment from C group, that is to develop application of stepper motor by using BeagleBone blackboard. So here for this experiment, instruments required are, this is the FRC cable which is used to connect our this stepper motor board on which we are going to see the output with our BeagleBone black kit. So this FRC cable is used to connect this kit. And next we have to connect this BeagleBone black to our PC by using one USB cable. This is the USB cable which we are going to connect to our PC. Now we will start the experiment. First I will connect this BeagleBone black with our PCB board, that is stepper motor board, by using this FRC cable. Okay, now it is connected. Now I will connect this USB cable to the BeagleBone black and PC. Already it is connected to our PC. Now this blue LED will blink, our BeagleBone black kit has been started. Now how to run the code? Now go to the PC on which we have to open first the terminal. So this is the terminal of Fedora. Now here our terminal is in the localhost. First we have to log in into the BeagleBone black kit. As BeagleBone black kit is not having any GUI, so we require to open that into the, we have to log in into the BeagleBone black kit. So there is one command by using which we are going to log in, that is SSH space root @192.168.7.2. as this is the IP address of BeagleBone black kit, so we will get login into the BeagleBone black kit. See, so here when you will get this message that is network is unreachable, at that time just go here it will require some time to connect boot BeagleBone black kit with our PC. So we have to wait till we will not get PC. Now we have to go to the network setting and we have to check that whether this PCI Ethernet is off. It should be off because it is required for the LAN purpose. As we are connecting BeagleBone black with USB, so USB Ethernet will be on. So we have to just check it, and then we have to go into the network setting. In that we have to go into the USB Ethernet. In that the profile we have to reset, that is, or you can do the forget profile, okay, and close it. Now again write this command SSH root @192.168.7.2 and enter. Now by using this command we have entered into the BeagleBone blackboard. So this is the, we are now at the terminal of BeagleBone blackboard. Now already I have developed one program of stepper motor, so I will directly run that program on PC. Python, this is the command for running the program, python space stepper.py. Now we are getting the output on our this circuit board, that is our motor is moving according to the anti-clockwise direction which is already given in the program. Now I want to exit from this program, so there is shortcut, that is Ctrl+C. By using we will stop that program. Now I will explain you how the steps in the programs are. So just edit that program by using nano command, nano stepper.py. So this is our program. Now this first line indicates module for the BeagleBone black input output, that is Adafruit module, and we have taken time module so that we can manage the time of stepper motor, and match function is used as a for the calculation purpose. Now we have used 4 pins of the BeagleBone Black kit here. So of P8 series, pin number 7, 8, 9 and 10 of P8 series we have used. Now for the movement or sequence of the stepper motor, we have used the X and I variable, which are initialized to the 0. Now as our output will be on this pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, so these are given to the output port, that is GPIO output port. So pin 1, 2, 3, 4 are the output. Now next thing is the sequence of stepper motor format. So this is the sequence of stepper motor format of anti-clockwise direction. When this x is equal to 1, when our stepper motor is at x is equal to 1, at that time this sequence is there, that is pin number 1 of GPIO is low, means actually in our board it will be high, as opposite case occurs in our BeagleBone Black kit. Similarly for pin number 2 it is high, that is, or in our BeagleBone Black kit it will be a low, as opposite case occurs. In the same way we have followed the anti-clockwise sequence, that is up to x is equal to 4. Next we have to run, as here while is true, so our program will be goes into the infinite loop, means we have to stop it manually. So I is given for the range, as our stepper motor will be moving in the direction like 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. According to these 5 rotations our stepper motor is moving, therefore range is given 1 to 5 up to the sequence I. Next, this is the 5 seconds time which is given for the movement of the stepper motor. So this is the program of our stepper motor program.